Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Today we're taking a look at Walgreens.com. This website, found at https://www.walgreens.com, serves as the online storefront for the Walgreens pharmacy chain. It provides a convenient platform for browsing and purchasing a wide variety of health and wellness products, from over-the-counter medications and vitamins to beauty supplies and household essentials. Navigating the site is fairly straightforward, with clearly defined categories and a search bar for quick access to specific items. Users can create accounts to manage prescriptions, track rewards, and save preferred payment methods for streamlined checkout. Beyond product purchasing, Walgreens.com also offers services like photo printing, clinic appointment scheduling, and access to health information resources. This makes it a valuable hub for managing various health and wellness needs. While the site's design is generally user-friendly, the sheer breadth of products offered can sometimes feel overwhelming. However, filtering options and personalized recommendations can help narrow down searches and tailor the experience to individual needs. Overall, Walgreens.com provides a comprehensive online resource for individuals seeking convenient access to pharmacy services and a wide selection of health and wellness products. They frequently offer online-only deals and promotions, adding an extra incentive to utilize their digital platform. Whether you're refilling a prescription, stocking up on everyday essentials, or exploring health-related content, Walgreens.com offers a convenient and comprehensive online experience. One of the key benefits of using Walgreens.com is the ability to manage prescriptions online. You can refill existing prescriptions, transfer prescriptions from other pharmacies, and even track your medication history. This can be especially helpful for individuals managing multiple medications or those who prefer the convenience of online management. Additionally, the website provides detailed information about each medication, including potential side effects and drug interactions. For those looking to save money, Walgreens.com often features digital coupons and weekly ads, which can be combined with their rewards program for even greater savings. This makes it a cost-effective option for purchasing health and wellness products.